I welcome to this beginner this graphic design. If you're a beginner on this channel, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel and also click the notification bell. If you're a beginner and you wanted to learn a graphic design, kindly subscribe and click the notification bell. This is the thumbnail designs we'll be working on with our smartphone using pixellab. Okay, let's go to background size, then tap on YouTube thumbnail. Yeah, then we are going to work with the color. We are going to tap on gradient color, then we are using the second pattern. Yeah, this second pattern. Then the first something, tap on it. Then we are going to copy the color code on this. Are you getting me? Then the first code is C082. Then tap on the blue check mark. Then you tap on OK. Then you click on the next one, the second layer. Then you tap on the pick tool. Then you tap on the second. Then on the blue mark. Okay. We are already getting there. We are already done with the background now. Okay, we are not yet done. Then we tap on the pen tool. Increase the pencil size, increase the radius size, then pick white color, then tap on the check mark, then you increase the size, then you put it there. Not necessary it look like it's let's start with the arrangement of the picture since we are done with the background. Okay, I'm going to import image. Okay, we are already there. Then we are going to create shape. Then we are going to write what we said, what Pastor Adeboye said, what Pastor Adeboye. Are you getting me? What Pastor Adeboye said. Let's choose. We are going to use Poppin font. We are going to use two fonts, Poppin. I think bold. Let's use bold. Then Poppin black. What Pastor Adeboye said. Choking bad when Poppin black. Yeah, we are going to use Poppin black. Okay, we are going to write Church Co. Church Co. Okay, this one is going to be bold. Isaac is going to be bold. Okay. Then we are going to use color black. Color black is a default something on your phone. I have to be fast about this. Church Co. The image will be in the description below. You will find it in the description so that you can access all the resources used in this tutorial so that you can practice. Church Co. Then the thumbnail. Let's start to the front. Then you reduce the size. You reduce the size. You reduce the size, and then we are getting there. We are almost there. Let's increase the size a little bit. That is too much. Church Co. Yeah, and let's increase the size of this. Yeah, let's just make sure it's aligned. Yes. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also click the notification bell in order to see more videos. Thank you. We will meet in the next video.